What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we will be going through card functionality, workflow tips, and more. Let's get started. Under our currently planning section, let's add a card called Create a New Mobile App. This can literally be anything. I'm just using this as an example. Let's start by adding a basic description. Under the right section, Add to Card, there are multiple options. Members. You can add people from your board to this card. This will give them notifications if anything changes on this card. This is a great way to keep projects organized.
Next, let's add a checklist. On the right side where it says Add to Card at the top, slightly down from the title you will see Checklist. Click Checklist. Here you can rename your checklist to whatever you want. I am just going to leave mine as Checklist. You can also copy other checklists from different lists within the same board. This can be handy when archiving old lists, but you want to keep the same structure of the old checklist. Click Add Item to begin adding items to your checklist. Let's add basic items. Let's add Design, UI, UX, Programming, and Management. You can add a due date for a specific member of your team. This is for business class users only, but we will be going over this in later videos. Each member will receive a notification when they are tagged watching this card, or you add a member to the card. Below the Add an Item button, you will see Activity. This will display all of the information that has been happening with this card. It will most likely say Show Details on your screen. Click this, and it will show recent activity on this card. This is a great way to keep track of which members are working on what project. That's it for today's quick video. In the next video, we'll be going over adding attachments to cards, going through some power-ups, archiving cards, and more. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.